Margarita, Luke Bryan, man, that's a summertime song if I've ever heard one. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And any comments or hit me up with any requests, whatever you got. Well, we were laughing about this. I'm with my buddy Jason, and this is basically a 2-chord wonder. We talk about 3-chord wonders sometimes. This one is all about the rhythm, okay? As you'll know if you're a fan of this song. It's in the key of A. There's only 2 chords in the song, A, and then they do a version of D, which is used common in rock and roll and country. I got my A chord here. The reason I'm doing it this way is it's a little hokey to go. A little kind of too kumbaya-ish. So you want to kind of keep it muted. So this one is all about the right hand. I got a pick going here and I'm kind of muting it with my palm. You stab that D chord. And this is a real hypnotic song. A lot of times the music just stops and it's going. See what my hand's doing? So you can get real percussive with it. If I was playing this one a little campfire way, I would probably throw in a couple of little low licks to kind of add the bass, because the only thing that moves in it mostly is the bass, the vocals, and a little bit of organ. But the guitar just kind of drives through. So I would do a little lick right there. And the way I do it is I incorporate that as like an open E, F sharp, which is the 2nd fret, and then open A, back to the F sharp, and then down on your chord. And the way I would incorporate that is I go. And you can also move up to this position. That A just rattling along and kind of droning. I wonder what I'm doing there. So that's 2nd position A chord. Rather than hitting a bar chord, which again will be dorky here, it's too closed. You want to keep that A string rattling along, keep it pumping. So I would just do what I call a partial A. Bar these first 2, 5th fret, with your 1st finger, and then your 2nd finger's right here on the 6th fret of the G string, and your 3rd finger's 7th fret of the D string. So I use this a lot when I'm trying to get a lot out of a song. So that's one Margarita by Luke Bryan, and I would take this as a challenge to get your right hand involved, especially if you play acoustic guitar and you want to sit around with some friends. Get that drum going. That's that right hand, so important. That's what drives the song. Stab that D chord. So I hope you have fun with that song. It's a simple one, but we thought, why not throw it up there? And it's a chance to get in some. So get your Caribbean cowboy going, and we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free. and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it'd mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.